think I need to I don't know, it's not gonna work. Let's I'm gonna try to open this one from here, maybe. I hope it's gonna work like this. I think that's the side. It's taking a bit of extra effort. It should be opened. I believe these tools are. This is bad. There is one more tool. I should try this one. Okay, so Well, you can see now, seems to be a problem, like absorbing a lot of water over here. I can understand there was some issues with to open it up. Now I have to, there are two screws. I'll just show you now. That's the first one over here, and that's the second one. We have to unscrew both of them, and we're gonna remove these connectors, these three connectors over here, which is gonna be open up the motherboard. I didn't see anything wrong over here, but when I look into this one, seems to be like rusted a little bit. Yeah, there you can see that's the rust. I'm getting it off from here. And I believe this is because of the because of the water. It says it's waterproof, but it's not. I mean, still it's gonna catch water like that. To be very gentle, I have to try to clean this one up a little bit maybe, and see, and still cleaning it. I don't want to destroy anything on the motherboard. Okay, fine, let's continue. So these are the okay, that's the wrong one. I'm gonna use this one. A tiny screwdriver, but I just received along with the package of the battery. Okay, let's try to open it up. Now it's a bit tricky again over here, because it's kind of like gonna just try it a bit by bit. Okay, it seems like I'm gonna open up the hole, which I don't want to do it. I need to open up I need to avoid this one. Just need to open up okay, that's what it's holding right now. Where are the clips? I think this is the one. Okay, finally I opened. I think there is going to be one more. Let's see. Okay. I still need to keep this one intact so it's easy for me to close it. Keep it intact with my nail. Okay, so it should be open from this side and to pop it from over the other side. Okay, that's nice. So this is connected through this one, so you have to remove it, and that's off over here. Now I need to just to remove this section. I just need to remove the battery from the board, and then I can put the new battery over there. It's supposed to be in a same like direction like that. Okay, and that's it. I am not sure why it came off. It should not came off like that easily. Okay, that's for another day. Don't want to put a lot of pressure on it. I think I'm gonna use a different one now. I have this one more. It's a little bit long. and it is like, you know, or maybe I can, no, I'm gonna do something bad about that, which I don't want right now to do. I'm gonna keep a gentle pressure on it, so it should come out easily. It's almost there. Finally, it's, you see this one, the condition of the battery, it's swollen, so it's definitely not working well. So we have this. It's a little bit unstable. I mean, it concerns me a little bit, but I think there are some part of it which should not be bothering me like that, but I'm sure we can manage it. So just gonna put, so this connector seems to be going just under this button here. So let's try it later on. Let's go in and put up the new battery. Okay, so here it is. The battery's in. I'm gonna try to connect okay, that's perfect. So it goes in perfect. Okay, now let's put up the board like that, and let's try to connect this one. Let's put this one in place so it can be okay. And here, yeah, it's the first time for me, so guys, sorry for messing up a little bit, but I'm sure I don't have to do it for the second time and let you bore with that. I'm not an expert with all the stuff like that, but something, this is not that I cannot do, so that's what I thought to give it a try. Okay, so we should press it gently down here. Okay, perfect. Seems to be a little bit concerning me over here, why it is so much limping. Okay, I think it has not settled properly down. Okay, seems to be a problem over here for this side, so I have to put it like that. So this screws, this push buttons should work perfectly. Okay, perfect, working. I put back this one, I put back this one, and then I should put back this one. It's all done. That is nice. Okay, so we need to put back the screws. Here comes the screws. Screw one. We should now use the proper tool for that. I believe this one, it's only recommended for unscrewing the out case. I have to bring something, I think, like that. Oh, perfect. It's a perfect match. From the bigger one, I'm not able to feel the pressure or torque I'm adding towards the screws, so don't want to make it damage something. I think just to blow it off gently so it can I think that is the I think the rubber for the waterproofing, it's still intact over there, so let's not try to clean it off because I think I will damage it. So let's go and fix it back. So this one, I think over here, this is the reset. I believe this is the one over here for the reset, so let's put it back over here. Oh, that's so nice. I love that voice. Okay, let's get back our screws. I think I'm gonna use this one again. I have couple of it. I'm sure that it's gonna help me a little bit. Let's just use it to deliver the screws. I mean, these tools are of perfect size. You don't need to worry about that. Whenever you're gonna buy something from Aliexpress, they're gonna send you the kit. This is not the first time I repaired any gadget. Back 2 years, I tried to repair my Huawei, which actually belongs to my wife, so which was not a success. So sorry, the wrong one. Which was not a success. So for me, so I stopped thinking about it. But the reason behind for me for repairing my own watch is because I don't want to pay a lot of money. You won't believe that the time when I bought this watch was quite expensive. I spent around 1400 real for that. That is equivalent to you can say maybe $500. My math is bad, so but and I don't want to spend a lot of money. And when I went to the customer service of Samsung, they told me that they still need like 1100 real. So that was more than 70% of the value of the base value. But I paid like a couple of years back. So let me bring in the charger. Oh, that's a good one. Ah, my bad. This one should go. This one should go on this side. So let's do it again. It's quick. So I'll give it a try. It's showing charging now. Disabling the power saving mode, which I actually activated like more than 1 month ago when I was facing problem uh, with the battery. So you can see the battery, what's happening with it.